This video is going to be about dynamically linking content in things like buttons. So what I mean by that is you can click on a button module. I've got one here. And as soon as I go into the button module, you've got to give a button module a link. You can put a full URL in there, but if you're trying to link to something else on your own website, you can come to this right hand side here and have a look for this. It looks like a little can almost with 3 lines and a little plus. If you click on that, it's going to bring up all the different link options that you've got access to. Most of the time it will be a page link, so if we click page link, and you have to scroll slightly to see the options available because this little box is quite small and you can't enlarge it. And then if you click into that field, it's going to give you every page you've currently got published on your website. It will not show up draft pages, they must be published. So say we want this one to be the shop. If I just click shop there, so shop appears here, click my little tick, click the tick again there, and that button is now linked to the shop. This dynamic linking can work in other modules as well. This is the text module. If I go into the gear icon on the text module, scroll down, I'm still on the first tab, content, link here, and I can link this entire module to something. And again, I can use the dynamic in exactly the same way that we've just done that. If you've got a blog, you can link things to posts. If you want to link a certain thing to a particular product, if you've got an e-commerce site, you can also, if you click on product link, you'll see, scroll slightly again, you'll see any products that you've actually got on your site showing up here. You can select one, select the little tick and select a little tick there, and now that whole block, if anybody clicks anywhere near this text, they will get taken to that link. Let's quickly talk about how you can check. So you can change the link here. You don't have to, you could delete it and start again, or you can just go into the gear icon, again scroll a little bit and reselect from here which one you want to link it to. So say we want to link it to these earrings, that's now changed and you'll see it's linked to those earrings. Want to take the link out, just hit the bin, save, and that's it.